Hey there YouTube, gonna do a quick video on another trash to treasure situation. This I literally picked out of the trash. It was sitting next to the curb and obviously top is broken. And then this right here is just a leftover scrap of some granite, and you can see it's 2 centimeters and it's been doubled up on the edges. So we're gonna cut these edges off and fit it down into the table base, and we'll polish the sides and be done. So I'm gonna set a timer and see how long it takes to turn this trash into treasure. Here's the final product. It took about 30 minutes, had a couple of family interruptions, but cutting and polishing time, about 30 minutes. It fits right in, and yeah, literally pulled out of the trash and turned into a good table. So thanks for watching.